Athletically designed to express its performance sold, the 2014 Mercedes-Benz C350 Sport Sedan boasts an aerodynamic lower bodywork in the form of an aggressive front apron with mesh air intakes, black and chrome slat embolden the wide grille, whose central three-point star is the unmistakable signature of sporting Mercedes-Benz, a pair of sculpted side shields, and a deep rear valance. Poised for performance, style for seduction, their shape was honed in the wind tunnel. Their muscle has been toned on the racetrack. Every detail of the C-Class sedans exude elegance in motion. Whether you choose the luxury or the even bolder sport package, to call any C-Class an overachiever is very likely an understatement. The 2014 Mercedes-Benz C-Class is nevertheless an impressively refined and well-rounded luxury car that feels every bit as meticulously screwed together as Mercedes' pricier sedans, even in the face of newer competitors and on the eve of an all-new replacement. The current C-Class sedan and coupe are the right choice. Up front, you see the bi-xenon headlamps with active curve illumination. Active curve illumination swivel the beams as you steer to help you see better into corners at night. And here is the LED daytime running lamps. Bright white LED daytime running lamp help increase the visibility of your vehicle to oncoming traffic. The 3-bar chrome grille with the Mercedes-Benz 3-point star logo in the middle. Alright, here's another look at the headlamps. This particular model comes with an upgraded option 18-inch 7-spoke AMG wheels. They are staggered in width. The rear wheel and the tires are wider than the front for greater acceleration grip. Behind the wheels are the set of ventilated brake discs and a brake caliper with Mercedes-Benz lettering on it. Here is the side view mirror with integrated LED turn signal light. To the back, you see the LED tail lamps, LED turn signal lamps, and LED brake lamps. LED tail lamps offer a stylish three-dimensional effect along with longer bulb's life and lower energy consumption. At the bottom, you see the black rear diffuser that framed the dual chrome tip exhaust, featuring dual sound mode. And here is the rear deck lid spoiler. It comes as a standard on the C350. And below the chrome strip, we have your backup camera, which will activate once the vehicle is in reverse. Alright, let's open it up and see what it has to offer. The car does come equipped with Smart Access Key system. With the key in your pocket, press the button on the door handle once to lock. After a few seconds, put your hand on the door handle to unlock. The interior features cappuccino leather seats and burr-walnut wood trims, black on the dash and the door panels, with brown leather section. Really nice. Alright, let's start it up and see how it sounds. Push button ignition with your foot on the brake. Push the button to start. Alright, let's pop the hood and see what's in it. Under the hood is a 3.5 liter direct injection V6 engine with 7-speed automatic transmission, variable valve timing, pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque. Rear-wheel drive is standard on this vehicle, and an all-wheel drive comes with the C350 4MATIC coupe. can hit from 0 to 60 in 5.9 seconds. EPA estimated fuel economy is 20 city, 29 highway, and 23 combined. Alright, let's shut it down and get back to the interior. Alright, 3-position memory setting for both driver and passenger. And all 4 windows are fully automatic. And down here we have the trunk release button and the Harman Kardon speakers. Mercedes-Benz aluminum door sill. Alright, here's a look at the seat. It is not perforated, but does offer heated options. Both driver and passenger seats feature 14-way power adjustment seats with 4-way power lumbar support. And here's a look at the sports pedal. The 3-spoke flat-bottom design steering wheel is fully wrapped in leather with perforated side grip, featuring silver accenting in the middle, as well as multi-function control side by side for your convenience, so that you don't have to take your hands off the wheel while driving. And here's a look at the gauge. Really nice. Here's the light control and the driver side air vent. And to the center we have the large multimedia screen and the dual air vent. Here's the multimedia control, 3-stage heated seat, emergency hazard light, dual climate control for both driver and passenger. Here we have the ashtray and the cigarette lighter. Alright, here we have the gearbox. It is wrapped in black leather with Mercedes-Benz logo on top. Just pull it down for reverse. Once you're in reverse, the backup camera will display on the display screen with guidance line for easier backup. And pull it down again for drive and over to the left for manual. And you can push it up or down to change gear. Very simple. And here we have the button to change mode from eco to sport mode. And here's the control to your navigation screen. You can just turn it around to move around screen. You can also push it up, down, left or right, or push down to select. Very easy to use. Here we have dual cup holder for passenger and driver. And here's the center storage compartment. In here we have the media interface cable with the auxiliary input. And here's a closer look at the seat. Glove box compartment. Alright, up here you can control the light for the rear and the front. And here we have the open, close and tilt moonroof. And here is the Mercedes-Benz SOS service. Here we have the universal garage door opener and a sun visor mirror with a card holder. Alright, let's take a look at the back. The back offers seats for 3, and it does offer split folding options. You can fold it down for additional cargo space. And here's the look to the front cabin. Looks very nice. Alright, we have the dual air vent here for the rear passenger, as well as the ashtray and the 12-volt power outlet. Rear seat pocket. The back does offer a lot of leg rooms as well. I'm 5'8" and still have a lot of leg rooms with the seat all the way back. and it is pretty comfortable in the back. Here's the rear armrest with a storage compartment and dual cup holder. And here's the look to the back with the Harman Kardon speaker. Alright, let's pop the trunk. The trunk offers 12.4 cubic feet of cargo space. And like I mentioned earlier, you can fold both rear seats down for additional cargo space by pulling both levers, one located on each side. Alright, the rear seats offer a decent amount of space with a dimension of 36.9 headrooms, 33.4 legrooms, and 55 shoulder rooms. Overall, the interior of the 2014 C350 sedan is well crafted with fitted leather upholstery and fine wood trims. It offers many luxurious features and is well equipped with all the latest technology as well as safety features. Alright guys, that is it for today's review. I hope you guys enjoy it, and don't forget to leave me a comment below letting me know what you guys think about the 2014 Mercedes-Benz C350. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more future video reviews. I'll see you guys next time.